Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Pontiac, a brand of General Motors, Pontiac made vehicles and muscle cars that defined an era, with legendary models such as the GTO and Trans Am. In business since 1926, Pontiac was discontinued in April 2009.
Let's help you make your mark.
The iconic brand was discontinued because of the company's financial problems and the restructuring it necessitated. Several efforts were made to save Pontiac, but the fact that it was a loss-making brand that was also cannibalizing Chevrolet sales sealed its fate.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Pony car enthusiasts may soon be forced to opt for a Ford Mustang, Chevy Corvette, or Dodge Challenger, because the Camaro is reportedly being discontinued. In fact, Camaro sales were on the rise in America for Q1 2019.
Take our lead.
Pontiac no longer exists as a brand. When a brand leaves the market, the used cars it leaves on the road tend to depreciate pretty quickly. Pontiacs were also never known for reliability. While you can pick one up pretty cheap, I would suggest looking at an existing brand.
Take our lead.
Though GM ended production of the Alero, Silhouette, and Bravada in 2004, sources say that the brand will be resurrected, but not in the way you might think. In its quest to become the #1 automaker by all counts, Toyota has secured the rights to the Oldsmobile name.
Let's help you make your mark.
Ford Motor Company, NYSE, F, and Chevrolet, which is owned by General Motors Company, NYSE, GM, are the two largest automobile brands in the United States. Ford's largest brand is its namesake, Ford, while GM's largest brand is Chevrolet.
Let's help you make your mark.
GM sells Hummer brand to Chinese company, NPR. GM sells Hummer brand to Chinese company General Motors Company says it has signed an agreement to sell control of its iconic Hummer brand to Sichuan Tangzhong Heavy Industrial Machinery Co.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.